Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix any apps that crash or any apps that just open and close. So I'm going to show you how to fix that as well. So I'm going to show an example of what happens, and you gotta put in some commands. So I don't know all of the methods, but I know one method which will fix it. This happened to me for this game called Hello Neighbor. It just like stopped opening. It just when I open it, just loads and closes. When I press the continue button, it just closes by itself. So right, what I want you to do to fix this error is you've got to press the Windows key and R to open this, and now you've got to type in wsreset. Then press OK and wait for this process to finish. Alright guys, I need to pause the video for a little bit until this process completes, and then we will be able to restart your computer after this process completes. It's going to take a while, and Windows Store will be launched after this process is complete. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, Windows Store has launched now. That means it resetted all of our apps and no data will be deleted, so not to worry. And then you've got to go over here, press power, then click restart to restart your computer. But I'm not going to be restarting my computer right now because it might like stop the video. So like, yeah. Okay, we're done with the Windows reset. Now we've got to go for your magnifying glass search, type Windows PowerShell and click run as administrator. Just press yes. And go to the command you'll find in the description of this video, hit edit, and then paste. If you get this red error, that means the apps which are running in the background, or the apps are like running with this command, just close those apps and then try again and you won't get this error. So as you can see, I got this error. That means there are lots of apps running in the background. So make sure you close all of the apps and then try again. And after this process is complete, you need to restart your computer. Last but not least, you've got to go to the search, system configuration. This we're gonna perform a clean boot right now. So this actually is the one which actually fixes the one and fixes the problem with the apps. So we've got to go to the services tab, press hide all Microsoft services right here. Okay, I checked it, and click disable all. Click apply and OK. Then go to the start tab. So you can see right there, click power and then restart to perform a clean boot. Second, you need to go to Google Chrome. You need to type in Windows 10. And this link will be in the description of this video. Click download tool now and run that tool. So I already have it downloaded right here. So I'm just going to click that. Just press yes and follow all of its instructions. Just click next, next, next. It's going to complete the process and then you have to click, it's going to update to Windows 10 and you can reinstall Windows. So you've got to follow the instructions by clicking next. But it's not going to delete any of your files. It's going to keep, but you can change what to keep and what to delete. But not to worry, nothing's gonna happen to your pictures and videos. It's gonna stay on there. So let's quit this. So this link will be in the description of this video. Alright, bye bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you got that process for clean boot and stuff. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the bell icon for more notifications.